I'm a chocolate gal, eh? I like to smell like I look and taste sometimes, you know?
Hey gems, it's Cinderella OG and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you guys can tell by the title today, I am actually going to give you guys a fragrance video that you guys have been asking for a very long time. So I'm very excited to do this video for you guys. So my how to look expensive on a budget video has actually been doing quite well. I'm actually really happy that you guys have been enjoying the advice that I gave you in terms of how to feel and look expensive without breaking the bank. I think that it's very attainable for anyone that wants that for themselves. And you know, I'm glad to continue giving you these baddie on a budget tips. And next, today we are going to be going into fragrance. So today I'm going to be giving you guys my top 5 affordable perfumes that make you feel expensive. Now, I tried to make sure that I didn't go over a spending limit of 100 for each of these perfumes so that you guys would know that you don't have to get the Baccarat or the Killian or anything that is like out of your price range just to smell good and smell expensive. You guys know what I mean? And they all still can be brand names if that's what you would like for yourself. So I'm very excited to go ahead and get into this video for you guys right now. Another way that you don't have to break the bank is by using our sponsor of the day, which is Scentbird. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that gives you the opportunity to shop from over 600 brands. It's a flexible subscription, so you can skip any month without any penalties. They carry top designer brands such as Prada, Gucci, Versace, as well as indie labels such as Vince Camuto. With Scentbird, you can get a decent amount of high-end fragrances for just $16, and then decide if you'd like to get the full-size bottle. And with my code, it will only be $11 for your first month. Use my code Cinderella to get 30% off of your first month at Scentbird. This month, I received 3 little vials from Scentbird. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into what I got from them first for you guys. So first we have Pink Sugar's Creamy Sunshine. And guys, this smells so vanilla-y. And if you guys have watched my old videos about like scent and smell and stuff like that, you know that I love natural smells, and vanilla, oatmeal, anything like in that area is like one of the smells that I really think is really natural and like gives you off like a kind of cocoa feel. And I always say I like to smell how I look, and
I'm a chocolate gal, eh? I like to smell like I look and taste sometimes, you know?
So it has notes of coconut milk, mimosa, and caramel, as it says on the card. And honestly guys, I think this fragrance definitely enhances the way you smell. It definitely brings out your natural scent, and it just like makes it a little more like does it make any sense to you guys? I'm not a professional, so my description of these scents is not going to be like top tier, like, oh, it has a hint of wood in it. I'm not gonna do that for y'all. Not today, you know what I'm saying? So I do like the way that Creamy Sunshine does smell though. I actually really like Scentbird because it's a good way of seeing what actually works on your body. One thing that I will say about perfumes in general is that not every perfume is going to work for you, if that makes any sense. So it's good to kind of like have like a subscription base that you can like, okay, I can try these different ones and see what works on my body and see what doesn't. I could watch all the perfume videos in the world, and something that someone says works for them could definitely smell horrible, like poo, on me. And I think that's a great way of seeing what actually works for you and what doesn't through Scentbird. So I really do love that about them. And I say that to bring up Chloe's Nomad. So I do like Chloe's Nomad. I just don't know if I like it on me. It has kind of like a cologne feel to it, and I do like certain colognes on women, but some just don't agree with me personally. And you know, although it doesn't work for me, it definitely could work for you. So this one has oak moss, freesia, and mirabelle liquor in it. So it's not my favorite, but it definitely does have a cologne feel. So if I'm going for something a little stronger throughout the night, I'd probably go with the Chloe Nomad. And lastly, out of the ones I picked, they went ahead and sent me the Versace Eros Parfum. So I do like this Versace scent. So it does have lemon, peony, pomegranate, jasmine, and musk. Out of all of them, my favorite definitely has to be the Creamy Sunshine by Pink Sugar. I think it smells amazing. It has that nice caramel tone to it. So it really brings out like the kind of warm smell, like that homey kind of smell that I like to smell like on my body. Like it gives me like more like natural scents. Natural. It's bringing out the natural scent in me. So I really do actually like the Creamy Sunshine. But again, guys, if you guys use my code, you can get anything you want from Scentbird. Make sure you get yours. So the first perfume that I wanted to bring up to you guys is the Maison Louis Marie number 4. Did I say that right? I don't know. And I know like the accent kept going because I said number 4, but the Maison Louis Marie number 4, okay? And I love this perfume. I actually got this as a Christmas present for my brother. And this is from Sephora, actually. He got this from Sephora. This perfume smells so good, guys. It's the perfect earthy and woody perfume if that's what you're going for. I think I like to wear this whenever I'm going on a date, or if I want to give off the scent that, like, you know, hello, like that's how I feel when I wear this. I'm like, hello. Like, I really do love this perfume. It smells really fantastic. I've always gotten compliments when I wear it, and from the reviews that I've also seen online, it replicates kind of like Santal 33. So if you guys are a fan of that, then this perfume is a great dupe if you're looking for one like that. So it smells so good. I think that this perfume really has to be my top 3 out of all my perfumes, expensive and non-expensive. I think this one is definitely at my top 3. It just smells so good. It just smells so good. And when you guys smell it yourselves, you'll say the same thing. So I want you guys to comment down below if you have this perfume. What are your thoughts about it? And how does it agree with your body? Because with me, this perfume just agrees with me so well. So, Maison Louis Marie, number 4. Go ahead and get yours. The link will be, all the links actually to everything will be in the description box down below for you guys. But specifically this one, Sephora, go ahead and get you. You can get yours online or in store. It doesn't really matter. I actually got mine as a gift set. So it also came with the roller ball, and it came with the perfume, the candle. So I've used the candle before. It's all dried up now. It's all done. It's a mini candle, so you know, I mean, it did what it had to do. I put it in my bedroom, but it smells so good. The smell is so good and actually lasts throughout the day for a good amount. You do have to do a couple resprays, so I carry the roller ball everywhere I go, but I really do like this perfume, so that's number 1. So for this next perfume, we are going to go on the little more expensive side. I know we said we're gonna try and keep it under 100, but this one right here, if you're going to get Chance by Chanel, the 1.7 is about $108. If you look on the site, it retails for $108. So this is what it looks like. So a lot of perfumes that I'm going to be showing you guys today, actually, yeah, 3 perfumes I'm showing you guys today are actually gifts, because people in my life know I love perfume. People in my life know I love perfume. So this was actually a Valentine's Day gift from my father, and I actually love this perfume so much. However, it's a little more youthful to me. I don't wear this perfume as much because it's so youthful. Now, although it is youthful, it is very elegant. So if you're looking for something for a lot more young people to use, Chance by Chanel, if you are looking for a Chanel scent, Chance by Chanel would definitely be the best bet for you. It smells a little, I think, flowery to me. Let me make sure, just make sure, like, you know, I'm smelling correctly. Yeah. It smells very airy and flowery to me, so I do like Chance by Chanel, but I usually wear this during the daytime if I have something light going on, and I still get compliments on it, but again, it's very, very youthful. I like perfumes that smell a little more mature, but if you're looking for something that you don't want to feel like an old lady, and this is definitely the way to go. I know that's another reason that a lot of people don't like Chanel's Mademoiselle, and as well as Chanel number 5. I love Chanel number 5, but we're not talking about that today. We're not talking about that today. So Chanel, Chance by Chanel. Definitely great, definitely youthful if you're looking for something a lot more light and airy, but something that will definitely last throughout the day. Now, for me personally, I do have to do a couple more pumps throughout the day for Chance to actually like really smell on me. I have to spray it a little more throughout my day, but I do like it. I do think it's a great scent. I still have it in my collection, and if I didn't like it, I wouldn't have it. And if you still want to smell expensive and still maybe get that double CC in your collection, Chance by Chanel is definitely the way to go. So That's this one. So next we have Giorgio Armani's My Way. Now again, it depends on size how these prices go for you guys. Now because I have a lot of perfumes, I tend not to get the biggest size. However, this was another gift. So this one is more on the expensive side. However, if you would like to get the 50 milliliter, then you can get it for $98. And I don't think that that's bad for perfume. Now, I do love My Way. I think My Way is one of my favorite expensive smelling perfumes personally. Let me go ahead and spray just to like give myself that ambiance to get in the mood to talk to you guys about My Way, okay? Now, My Way kind of like has more of like a fruity kind of feel, mainly because it has that Egyptian orange blossom in there. And I've never really been too particular about certain smells that I want in my perfume, as long as it smells kind of like vanilla-y or caramel-y or oatmeal-y. I like those scents. However, My Way has changed my mind. My mind is going crazy. You did crazy? I actually really like My Way because it just gives a new feel to kind of fruitier scents. I feel like certain fruity scents don't really give expensive to me. It doesn't give money, it doesn't give rich. However, My Way has definitely changed my mind about that, especially because the tones of whatever they put in here is strong. It stays throughout the day. My Way is another one that I get complimented on. So I use My Way whenever I'm going to be around a lot of people, because just a tap or like just like a move brings off the scent of My Way. And I love perfumes that like literally the more you move give off to the public, and that's what My Way does for me. It agrees with my body very well, and I just love the scent. So this was another gift. If you guys watch my birthday vlog, then you will know that my friend Desiree actually got me this for my birthday. So I really do like it. She did a good job by kind of like reading actually what I wanted. And you know, I am wearing orange anyway, so you know, it goes. So now we're going back to a little more expensive side. So we're going with Carolina Herrera, Good Girl. This is probably the supreme bad bitch perfume. If you are looking for a baddie perfume, then this is your match. Now, this is a perfume that definitely gives more of a cologne kind of scent, but Carolina Herrera is a classic perfume that I feel like every girl needs. So if you need a perfume of any kind and you're just looking like, oh dang, I don't know what kind of perfume to get, I really don't care, I think Carolina Herrera works with any person. Honestly, Carolina Herrera's perfume, Good Girl, works with anybody, I think. I honestly can say this perfume, Good Girl, works with anybody. So this perfume definitely gives more of a cologne scent, so it is on more of the stronger side. And I wear this on a night out with my girls to dinner, or honestly, date nights is definitely where I wear Carolina Herrera to as well, even if I'm just going to chill. Carolina Herrera is just such a timely, like it's a timeless scent that you can wear anytime. Like you really can wear Carolina Herrera anytime. If you're looking to seduce, this is the perfume for you. This perfume will have people turning their heads, breaking their necks to come and look at who is that that's smelling like that. It's a good girl. Yo, use me for a commercial. Like, come on now. But I do love Carolina Herrera's Good Girl because it's just so elegant to where you can wear it anywhere. I don't even notice that this scent is so floral because it has more of like a cologne feel to it. So, and can we talk about the packaging? Can we talk about it? Hello? What's good? Like, what's good, girl? Oh, I'm good, how are you? Oh, okay. Like, it's just perfect. It's perfect. This is honestly the perfect scent. I can honestly say, out of all my scents, this one will always probably be in my collection. Always. I'll never get rid of this. Ever. So yeah, Carolina Herrera, Good Girl. And lastly, guys, we have the J'adore by Dior, and this one is the 1.7 ounce, and it retails for $105. So again, 100 and under is what we're trying to do in this video, and I think we kind of nailed it. So let's go ahead and talk about this scent lastly. It's another floral and kind of fruity scent, but I actually prefer this over Chance by Chanel because I feel like this scent kind of gives more of like a strong and a little more mature kind of feel to it. It is again still airy and youthful if you're looking for a scent like that, but I do think that J'adore by Dior gives more of like I can wear this every day. Chance by Chanel as well, but J'adore by Dior I think would get noticed more than Chance. I think Chance is a little too airy when it comes to scent that you want to stay strong, and that's maybe just on my body. Maybe that's just how it works with the chemistry of my body. But J'adore by Dior, I don't find myself having to wear it too much. However, I do carry it around if I need to, just because it smells so good. And it's another one of those perfumes that the more you move around, it gives off more. So I've definitely worn this like in a lounge and stuff like that, and in more social settings. And I'm in Houston, baby. The humidity, so in Houston, whenever I was wearing this in Houston, it was definitely giving off. Like this scent was definitely giving. It was giving. And you know how people say it's giving? Like it was giving, but not like in such a way that's like, oh, it's giving. No, like, I mean, it was still giving, but it was giving. Does that make any sense? It makes sense to me. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. I do like it. And I do think that it's a different kind of like floral and fruity kind of feel. So I do like it. It's a great scent to have, especially to wear during the daytime, and it still makes me feel expensive. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Make sure to let me know any other baddie on a budget videos that you guys would like to see from me as well. And if you guys would like to go ahead and get your Scentbird, your very own Scentbird subscription, go ahead and use my link in the description box down below, as well as my code. Make sure that you guys are getting that 30% off, guys. Make sure that you guys are keeping up with me on Instagram for any updates that you might be getting on videos, or any updates that you guys might want in regards to what videos that you guys would like to see from me, or any other content that I might be having will be on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are checking that out as well. And if you guys could also comment down below what other baddie on a budget videos that you guys would like to see from me on my channel. I do love this kind of series that we're doing here, and I would like to continue to do this for you guys, and I just want to know what else it is that you guys want to see from me. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and sign out from today's video. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to stay blessed and beautiful, gems, and I love you guys so much. Smooches.
Hit me up if you wanna make love, but don't call my phone. If you try, I'll give you more than some.